So in this video, we're going to be reviewing rays uh, as needed for us to be able to talk about angles next. So similar to a line segment, a ray is a piece of a line. But whereas a line segment has two endpoints and does not go on forever in either direction, a ray only has one endpoint and goes on forever in one direction. So here we have a picture of a ray. There's one endpoint right here, and it's going on, so it's starting at T and going through M. Now with rays, because they only go in one direction, we always treat rays as starting at the endpoint and going through a second point. So here we're saying this ray starts at T and goes through M. It's important we think of it this way because when we want to use symbols to name a ray, order matters. And that's very important for us. When we write about a ray, so if I want to write about this ray, I always start with the endpoint. So the endpoint is always first. And then the point it's going through will be second. And then we need a symbol to represent that this is a ray. Well, shocker, it's a picture of a tiny ray. So on top, I put a picture of a tiny ray. Related to the fact that the endpoint is always first, this picture always, in the symbol, the ray will always point to the right. Because what this is actually showing is that the endpoint of my symbol is over the endpoint that I put here in the first position. So since the endpoint is always first, the endpoint of the symbol must be above it. It is incorrect to have it going the other way. With rays in math, we always name endpoint first, the point it's going through second, and the symbol always points to the right. So please, 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 please remember that with rays, the order matters. Segments, we can name the endpoints in either way. Lines, we can name the 2 points in either order. But with rays, endpoint first, point it goes through second.